Hello, I'm Ann Wilterdink Morgan with Color and Image Insight, and I'm showing you how to choose your most flattering eyeglasses. Right now, I'm showing you how to enhance the overall lines of your face with your glasses. Now, face shapes may be considered angled or contoured. An angled face shape is generally going to have more visible bone structure. It's going to have more distinct straight lines and angles in the overall shape of the face as you look at the perimeter and the bone structure of the face. One way to determine it is to hold a straight edge next to the face and see if you're noticing straight lines, or if instead you're getting a more gradual contoured shape to the face. Another way that you can tell is to actually hold up patterns to the face. Here you see a contoured pattern. Here you see an angled pattern. You can also do that with more simple shapes, such as these. Contoured pattern, angled pattern. Now, if her face were angled, the angles in this pattern would bring out the bone structure, make it look stronger, more vital. But since her face is contoured, and you've probably noticed that you did not see those distinct lines and angles, then it looks a little harsh instead, and the contoured pattern is more harmonious. The same is going to be true for all kinds of patterns, for necklines, for jewelry, and of course for glasses. So here you can see with scarves how the angled pattern looks harsh. The contoured pattern is softer and more enhancing for the shape of her face. So you've probably heard the opposite, and you may hear it again, but you can see by what I just showed you that it's better to repeat the overall lines of the face than contradict them with the opposite shape. In other words, if your face is contoured, you want to go with contoured or more curved glasses. If your face is angled, you want to go with more angular glasses. These would be examples of contoured glasses here. These would be examples of angled glasses. And if we try to see, notice how the more contoured shape enhances Terry's face much better than if we were to compare it to the more angular shape here. Now, you are going to find glasses where you're going to combine angles and contours, where the glasses are not going to be so distinctly angled or contoured. And here are a few examples like this. This would be a softened angled, perhaps. Similarly, you've got contoured lines on the top and bottom, angles on the sides. If the shape of your face is less distinctly angled or contoured, if you have a difficult time determining which one it is, then you'll be a little safer with going with lines that combine both features. That's how to enhance the overall lines of your face shape with your glasses. Next, I'm going to talk about how to balance the length of your face with your eyeglasses.